Your limitation is your imagination. I'm Ritu Singh, your science teacher, and today we are going to start our new chapter, which is chapter 9, soil. In this chapter, firstly, we'll discuss about some important topics about soil. And first one is importance of soil. What is the importance of soil? Soil is important for the growth of plants. Okay, soil is important for the growth of plants, as we know that plants take their nutrients from the soil, right? Because their plants roots capture soil and they get all the nutrients from the soil, right? And this soil is home for many animals and microorganisms. Like we know that many microorganisms live in the soil, and many animals also live in the soil, like snakes, rabbits, rats. These all animals live in soil, and some insects also. Some insects live in soil. Soil is beneficial for agriculture. Okay, like as we know that soil is the basic need of agriculture. अगर मिट्टी नहीं होगी तो खेती कहाँ करेंगे, right? So soil is very important for agriculture, right? And different types of soil supports different types of crops, right? As we have heard that black soil supports the production of cotton, right? So that's how different types of soil support different types of crops. Okay, we use underground water for many purposes. And from where does this underground water come? This underground water comes from the soil. Okay, so let's take a glance on all these things. Okay, firstly, medium for plant growth. As we know that water helps the growth of plants. System for water supply and purification. As you know, there is an underground system for supply and purification of water. We have studied before about rainwater harvesting, right? And many other processes which support purification and supply of water, right? And habitat for soil organisms. As we know that earthworms live in soil only. So these are some points about soil. Okay, now we'll talk about soil profiles, as we have studied in our previous classes about different profiles of soil. Okay, first layer of soil is known as topsoil or horizon A. This layer is rich in humus. That's why it is dark in color. Okay, humus is found here, and roots of plants are also found here only. मतलब प्लांट्स की जो रूट है वो भी सिर्फ इसी हॉरिजन में होती हैं. ओके, बिकॉज दिस लेयर इज रिच इन मिनरल्स and humus supports the growth of plants, which is, so we can say that humus is essential for the growth of plants. Okay, this layer is visible to us. Okay, and this layer can retain water, right? Very its capacity is very high of retaining water. Okay, next is horizon B or middle layer. This layer, okay, this layer is not as rich as topsoil in humus, so but yes, humus is found here also, and this soil is very good for minerals. So that's why all the minerals are found in this layer of the soil, and this soil is light in color. Okay, because and this layer was dark in color and this layer is light in color because humus is not present here, no, in the in that much quantity. So that's why this layer is light in color. Okay, and this is the third layer of soil. The third layer of soil consists of small rocks, have small cracks in them and partly weathered. Okay, बिखरे हुए होते हैं छोटे छोटे टुकड़े. These pieces, small pieces of rocks are found here in this layer, which is called horizon C or third layer of the soil. Okay, then it comes the last layer of the soil is known as bedrock, and it is very hard. As you can see that it has rocks and stones in it. So that's why it is not possible to dug this layer of soil with the spade, and because this is the last layer of the soil, so it cannot be exposed, right? So this is the last layer of soil, and these are 4 layers of soil. First layer, horizon A or topsoil. Horizon B, middle layer. Horizon C and horizon D is known as bedrock. Okay, so these are 4 layers of soil. Now we'll talk about some other important topics of soils, like pollution. What is pollution? When we humans spoil the fertility of soil, then that is called soil pollution. और how do we do that? हम ये सब कैसे करते हैं? Because we humans decompose non-biodegradable waste in soil or in open areas. So that's how our soil is being polluted by that non-biodegradable waste. Second, the use of chemical fertilizers, as farmers use chemical fertilizer to increase production of crop or to increase growth of those crops and plants. They use chemical fertilizers, and those chemical fertilizers are not good for the health of soil. So that's why our soil is being polluted by these all activities. Next is weathering. What is weathering? Weathering is the process of breaking big rocks into small pieces. That's how our soil is made. हमारी मिट्टी कैसे बनती है? When big rocks break into small pieces, then our soil is made. And this is not a very fast process. This is a slow process. So, okay students, this is for today. Stay home, stay safe.